Okay, guys, so it looks like it wants to retrace from this area starting 3 o'clock, like 30 minutes before the open, eh, even a little bit more before that rejection from the past. We broke the previous not highs, but we hit the fair value gap and rejected, and now the big rejection started already, and we'll see the open if it retraces down and continues up, or the other way around, starts bullish and then breaks the low and continues down. So I think we're going for a sell. um, most probably we're going for a sell. So yeah. But we'll see. We never know. Because look, now it's a rejection from the point that it should continue upwards. So in this situation, with this candle having a rejection, we're anticipating it to come lower with the next candle, and then go higher. So it's about probabilities and the moment you entered. So I currently enter a little bit after the open, because at most in open there are situations they don't make a top or a bottom week, and it just continues, and I'm trying to get that one as well. And if it's actually a top bottom or a reversal, or the other way around, then basically I'm gonna close the break even and that's it. So this looks like again a full retracement, so with no rejection and no bottom wick, but there's 15 more minutes. Let's see the 15 minutes candle, which is closing in 3 minutes. Now, because the price dropped and broke the previous candle low, the character has changed into a sell. So now we have to see how it holds with this support out here. If price stays below it, which it will, I think it does, but it has to stay the next 30 minutes candle as well. So we'll see. We'll see about it. So this is a new top step account. I think you guys remember what happened with fast stack trading. So we took a few days off because we lost a few accounts in the rug pool that Scott Tristey pulled out on the trading environment. So yeah, it was too good to be true. I really thought that these are the new changing, because they took off the time limit, and now I thought they will take off the entire challenge and they will just make it instant with consistency row. So yeah, I believed in them, and it was my mistake. So yeah, I should have not. So we'll take the loss and just come with one of the pioneers, Top Step or Apex, and get some accounts with them, and then they're sure not going to leave the market soon. So the market pulled a little bit lower and now it retraces. So if it stays above this, then it's still a bullish market. Now it closed below, which is a good sign. We'll see how are we going to deal with the retracement. Uh, there's a very small bottom, so yeah, it continues lower 100%. 100%. It's a little bit too much, but yeah, feels like it goes lower. So the retracement should not go more than this place. Sorry, this place. Because these two areas are the last two support, two resistance. So they should not break these. So far, so good. So if it's a buy, then it's good because we're going to have a discount if it goes lower. So we're gonna take it from here, either up or maybe this place. We'll see. If the sell already started and it will continue to drive the entire New York Open, then definitely these candles are small and it's going to be some massive candles like the previous one from yesterday, which was this one. 21,300 almost to 21,200. So 100 points plus a few more. So I believe there's a big chance it will drive more. Because here the sale started like 2 o'clock and continued until 3:30. Now the sale started 2:45 and it should continue throughout the open. I usually do not take pre-market open positions, so I'm not gonna take them. I'm gonna go for wait for the open. We broke the low again. In this case, if we retrace, it's the time. If not, it's going to continue going down. Because usually it does that, breaks the low because people keep their stop losses at very obvious points, so they keep breaking the low and then flipping, so taking the stop losses and flip. As a rule of thumb, we want to place our entries where people place their stop losses, or place our entries after most of people stop losses have already been triggered and the market continues in the right direction. So yeah, for that moment we wait. With the news, market pulled out very high, as we can see on the daily candle. We pulled out very high. So now it's time. We broke the high. So yeah, a retracement is in place right now. Uh, it's already 3 bearish days. Or to be honest, just two, 1.5. So the market respected this resistance now and continue down. So far so good. For a buy we have another support here which it may retrace from. This trend line can be sound like this, even no problem. And then this. So it flipped to a buy. We'll see if it closes bullish and then again breaks the low. That's a good entry for us. 9 more minutes until open. 30 minutes retraced above the support line. Okay, so basically we respected this resistance for going down. Then when we broke the low, we found some liquidity, and now the resistance is not anymore available, and we kept this one. Let's see if it respects this one. It should retrace a couple of pips anyways, couple of points. This will be the line to still be in a sell, maybe even this. I think it's around this area. Yeah, should be the last. That's why I don't want to enter pre-open, because pre-open there's no volume, so they still mumble around, mumble, go all directions, check all liquidity spots, make people angry, and then drive. So we have respected this area as a top point for the sell. We rejected. Now we are going a little bit longer, and we'll see how do we respect this line as a support. If we break below, then we wait for the retest and drive lower. What's up, man? It's so nice with a good platform out here, because I remember there was so much luck with the fast stack trading. That should have been a big clue. 6 more minutes. So the 5 minutes candle is closing now, and it's closing with the big rejection, which is a good sign. It looks like the bearish side is more powerful. Usually when they drive the entire candle in the last minute. Okay, and respected the blow so far. Dropped. We should get ready, I think, for a buy now because of this drop. There's still pre-market with 5 minutes. I liked how it dropped straight away and rejected, which means it's a good area. He wants to continue up. We'll see how if it breaks the high. I'm actually going to take a market buy for 5 micros.
Order filled.
Oops, and we're in. Yes, let's manage this. Uh, let's manage this. If it goes lower, I'm out because it's not a good position. But if it continues up, then we got an ugly sneak peek. And we should stay in a candle at least for 20 to 30 minutes. If it retraces from 30 minutes or something, starts to retrace, then I'm gonna close it. But I usually want to stay just a 30 minutes candle in the trade. There's a pretty discounted price for a buy, so we should not go lower, else we're gonna close the trade. I think the break-even point would be this one. So the price is back up. We're back in some profits. Price retested this area and bulls decided we're gonna drive the price up higher. Let's see how it continues. This would be the break-even point, and I hope after it goes up, it retraces and continues up. So that would be the break-even point when I see it establishes support on top of it. Hopefully one day, Top Step TV live. Now just YouTube. Okay, so pretty good. It's first time on a Top Step. I don't know how to break even, to be honest. But I decided it's already break even. So, oopsie, big retracement, big retrace. 1 more minute until open. 1 more minute until open. Big retracement. Price got tested. Now let's see the bulls back on time. Back in time. Back in town. Come on, bulls. Let's see big retracement again. Go on. And we're break even, so if the next 30 minutes will drop to our entry, we are out and we reconsider our position. So we're back up. Okay. Big retracement, big retracement. Yep, like we've seen. It's good we didn't have the break-even point, so we had the retracement on the open. So I think it continues up. Yep. So it's good. Hopefully it doesn't go again. Many buy orders. Yep. Back on track. So we got saved. We didn't have the break even just mentally. We've been there for 1 second. That's okay. I didn't even blink that second. Oopsie. Still back on sell. Come on. So from now on, I say 30 minutes we should be on a position. But if it retraces again to our entry, we're back. We're going down because I've seen this break of the low and break of the high. Well, still just the first minute.
Order filled.
Yeah, I think it goes lower. Yeah,
Order
we'll
filled.
go for a sell from this point. Wants to break the low, and it does. And our break-even point would be here. We'll close the trade if it goes back up. So it was that day that it broke the high and then broke the low. So let's see if it continues down. If we were fast enough, read the market well. In 150 up and just $30 closed. Okay, back in, guys, back in on the sell. Yep, we were very fast and we anticipated the market. We respected structure. So from now on, let's see, 30 minutes. If it goes even lower, this is a good retracement point for the market. So we should watch it double until it breaks these two ones out here.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I don't like it. I don't like it. It looks like a buy again for me. This 5 minutes is closing now. So we wait a little bit more.
Order filled.
There's a bad buy we've got. So I had my hands very tight on the click to close the trade. Can I believe we are back on a buy? A lot of volume, and there's no news today. So I don't know why this is behaving so weird. But actually, I know it's the volume, but we have to be very fast, like we've seen earlier, 2 times. They took us out 2 times. Okay, okay, that's a good sign. Yep, that's a good sign. No bottom wick. No bottom wick, just a small one and a lot of pure bullish pressure. So I think we'll continue up. We still go up. We still go up. Come on. Let's see now every single step if it how it reacts to these zones that we drew previously. Now I think we are up for maybe 20 minutes drive. Let's see.
Order filled.
Yeah,
Order filled.
they wanted to give everything back, so I took some. So far, I think I rejected here, but not quite. Still in, it's still in. It wants to go up. It went up. Yup, much more. Half of it. Let's see, let's see. Next one, next one. Come on. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go, let's go. Pack, retracement. No good, no good, no good. Let's go, let's go. Not half of it. Don't retrace to the next one. I'm closing to the next one if it retraces. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Next, 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 next. Next resistance area. Come on. Next resistance area. Let's go. Let's go. I'm closing. I'm closing.
Order filled.
I'm closing because I think it retraces. Now, 1 minute seems like selling pressure. It wants to sell a little bit because it broke the high. Was more retracement and breaking the highs again.
Order filled.
Let's see. How do we put the stop loss? Set stop loss. Exactly. Yes. Still the buys, but it's just hard to see the profits roll off. Again, bad buy. Maybe not so. Maybe still good. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Go up, go up. If not, we're closing and it's done for the day. At least we close the day green. Hopefully we survive this pullback. I think we would. We did. I think we did. We still go up. We can grab some more points. Hopefully. But that was a risky one we took now, so I'm still very careful. Don't like it. Yeah. If it goes even more further, we're out. But I'm gonna keep it mentally. Maybe it pops up. Maybe we're back in town. Maybe we're back in town. Let's see. Okay, we closed above. See if it keeps it above. Nah, it doesn't want to keep it above. But no top wick, so hopefully up to make one. Looks like this is the drawdown. Oh, no, we talked a bit earlier. I didn't like it didn't close above. Someone.
Czekamy jeszcze trochę. No, a to chcesz? Znaczy, no wtedy się jej pytałem, no to ona powiedziała, że Krystyna kartę jej wpadła i że ona jeszcze nie wie kiedy. Czyli powiedziała, że ten też likwidują, więc wydaje mi się, że nas musimy na swój no, my też chcemy, tak. No, dopiero w nowym roku zaczniemy już sami. No, ale sobie nie patrząc, tutaj jest lepiej niż tam. Gdzie? Tutaj. No, będzie się to na wakacje? Co? A no ale też jest, że to was trzeba w pierwszy pokoju robić, nie? Bo tam jest para. No. No to nie robisz. Lepiej powiedziałam, że ogólnie robię pracę, to powiedziałam, że sobie komputuję. Ale to jest też odpowiedź, ja mam tutaj. O, najgorszy możliwy chyba, nie? No i impreza jest przyszedł się wielu a ostatnio była impreza w sobotę, 17 dzień, do 12 no nie było nikt, to stary na to.
I think we'll go higher. All right, good. Let's see the next area. Rejection still continues. Let's see. So far, rejection. We got $300 on drawdown, so it should take more than 150 this trade.
Salon, jadalnia, jakiś taras. Jeszcze pokój 2 razy większy niż tutaj. Jeszcze na to tylko jeden. No, także to jest. Tak, no. Proszę mi sobie jakiś słabnyka, instalować element.
Big sell-off. Maybe for the bottom week, new 5-minute candle. Started with the sell-off. Maybe it still continues up. So far it's aggressive selling. Okay, the candle flipped. That's a good sign. We'll continue. Hopefully close to our take profit, our break-even point first, and then take profit. So I agreed. I took a very bad position. I waited for the first buy, and then I took an impulse because I wanted to catch some more pip points. So that's not how I should have done it. And now I'm suffering the consequences of having to manage the trade actively and to make sure it's not going to go too low on a drawdown so it leaves my account. So, yeah. Okay, we're back in. Back in, let's check the new area, the new zone. If it stays this big zone, if it closes above this, I'm sure we're gonna get some profits back. And the area is here, and we broke it. Yep, straight away, no bottom wick, so very much power. But let's see if it stays on or it's just yeah, I think it's on. I think it's on like Alderon. Let's see. Come on. So how does the 1 hour? It's now fully flipped, and from this area we have a good area here or even here. So yeah, God bless. I'm gonna close even here if it retraces or here or here. So let's see how good of a position can this be after we survived the relative drawdown. Bit of retracement here. We're back on drawdown, but I see bullish momentum still. So let's go for it. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what won. So yeah, I think even the next 5 minutes will just drive straight to these areas because from here to here it's very easy. See, from here to here at least. So the retracement is back on, and we're going for new highs. Let's see, we're going for new highs. Another retracement, and an aggressive one from the bullish, from the bear side. One more minute until this candle closes. We just hope it closes above this. That would be a good indication it continues. One more minute for this candle. 6 more minutes for the 1 hour. And for the 4 hours, I think, right? So these 4 hours, the last one was a very discounted price and rejected. The next one drove straight up, and yeah, we should be on the right time frame to just pass this. If you're even like this one, maybe this one first, Let's look at it. Let's analyze it, and let's actively manage it because we never know. We still respected the structure for the bearish, for the bullish, even with this retracement we took the bad trade. So we're back on. These 5 minutes should drive, and the next five as well. Easy trade here. Easy trade if we break above. If we break above, yeah, definitely. If we break now, we get another rejection from this area, which I don't like. But this candle just started, so I have enough trust it will have enough fuel to drive up. But you never know, so you should keep an eye on it. Only the first minute. Okay, we stay above this zone. It's cool. We anticipate the next one will even go higher. All right, and we're up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's look for the 1 hour. How it closes, how it reopens it, and oh, straight away go down. Let's see. Let's see. 3 more minutes from this 1 minute. Let's see these 1 minutes how they behave. Like I've seen, we've been like 300 euros on drawdown, so we should get at least half of that from this trade to make sure we stay into not the worst risk parameters. Okay, okay, we're still going up. Okay, now like we see one single candle for this entire range, as it was easy. Maybe it still goes more. Mm, yeah, I don't like that rejection. We're back for some drawdown, but that's not so dangerous. Oh, very aggressive selling. Very aggressive selling. Was not expecting that just now. Why so aggressive, baby? Ooh, so aggressive. And aggressive buying again. Yo, so volatile market. And I think even more volume is coming right now. This new 4 hour candle opens in 1 minute. And I have enough trust it will go higher. Yeah, so the entire retracement went on. We're back on track. Let's see the new 4 hours. Let's see the new 4 hour. But we'll see it on the lower time frame, so we make sure we don't reject again here. Oh, rejection. New 4 hour. Let's see. Yep, new 4 hour. No bottom wick, which is a bad sign. If it doesn't break the high, I don't like it. Now bottom wick, they made the bottom wick. Cool. I think we're ready for some drive. New 4-hour candle made the bottom wick, and let's see if it breaks the high now. Again, if it breaks it, then here we're closing it definitely. Big rejection happening here at this fair value gap. I think we broke some other rules. We are not supposed to be in a trade after this 30 minutes. So we'll see this other 30 minutes if it drives or if we close it. McCann pixel off.
Piotr, how are you? Huh? What are you doing? Yes. Peter, yes.
Order filled.
Vedi, adesso
Bă, dar ce cu dunericimea asta aici, bă? Ce vă stați pe duneric? Ce de acum, mă? Deci, asta vă înseamnă. Ce drept?
Order filled. 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 Order rejected.
Asta e cosmin.
Order filled.
Nu vă bucurați că asta e numai pentru cosmin. Nu vă bucurați degeaba.
Făcea și mai mulți bani, dar am închis, nu mai îmi trebuie. 455. Pe ziua de azi, 5. Fata din tramvai, tare.
Order filled.
Lai. Hai cum costă. Dă banii acum la tatai. Lai, mi-a mai dat 100. Să puneți topul la 100. Ia uite, 400 făcut deja și încă 100.
Bravo!
Eoleu!
Ia de aici că n-ai să
Ia de aici că n-ai să stai că acum e 180. Stai că mi-a mai dat 200. Eoleu!
Order filled.
Nu. Face petrețeria.
Deci fac bani din om? Vrei? Nu! Deci fac bani din om? Eu de acolo, sculat?
Order filled.
Take it out, take it out.
Kurwa mać! Oj! Иди сюда, сука!
Order filled.
Иди сюда. Ой, сука, блядь! О! Где махцешь? Где ксаш?
Yep, that's it, guys. Too much trading today. Finito. Bye bye. Let me show you.
That is fucking spirit, you know.
Bye bye, bye bye. Am fost live pe YouTube, să știți.
Are you to solve that?